If Microsoft Edge is showing you an HTTP error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back on the site quickly. A 403 error usually means access is being blocked, and in many cases, the problem comes from cached data, cookies, or even an extension interfering with the page. So before you assume the website is down, try these steps first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, try opening the site in a private or InPrivate window. To do that in Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose InPrivate window, or just use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, N. Then paste the website address into the new private window and see if it loads properly. Private browsing helps you test whether the issue is caused by your normal browsing data because it uses a cleaner session with fewer stored cookies and less cached information. If the site opens in private mode, that's a strong sign that something in your regular browser profile is causing the error. Next, if the problem still continues, clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for web access issues in Edge. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. You can also choose the time range depending on how far back you want to clear the data. If you're not sure, selecting all time is usually the safest option when you're troubleshooting a stubborn error. Once those boxes are checked, click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to finish the process. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then try visiting the website again. If you still see the 403 error, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website access, block scripts, or trigger security filters that cause a site to deny loading. To test this, go to the extensions page in Edge by clicking the menu, selecting extensions, and opening the Manage Extensions page. Once you're there, toggle off all extensions one by one, or turn them all off temporarily if you want to test quickly. After disabling them, reload the website and check whether the error is gone. If the page starts working, then one of your extensions is most likely the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to find the one creating the issue. This is especially helpful if you use ad blockers, privacy tools, coupon extensions, or security add-ons, since those are the ones most likely to affect site access. So to quickly recap, if Microsoft Edge gives you an HTTP 403 error, first try the website in a private window, then clear your cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, and finally disable all your extensions to see if one of them is blocking the page. These steps solve a lot of common browser access problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Microsoft Edge fixes and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.